It's a pleasure to have you all here again, 17th of November. Welcome back to the CSAFOREX channel. And of course, today we're going to continue with where we stopped yesterday. We're looking at the EurUsd. Yesterday, we're expecting that from where it was, it will give us a decent pullback to this area of supply. But then what happened? It dropped down some more. As it dropped down some more, it has actually got into the area of demand on the weekly time frame. Yes, demand on the weekly time frame. If you look at what we have right in front of us, right, you notice that on this time frame, the trend is what? The trend is down. So as the trend is down, we always say it's best for you to go with the trend. It's best for you to flow with the trend. I'm not saying you cannot be going long on this. Of course, you would always have counter trend traders, and some counter trend traders are willing to fade their position. But this is what we would like to see from here. We would like to see a retest of this area as we now have a new supply zone here. We'd like to see a test of this area here, this supply, this resistance area. And then once we have this, this is where we'd love to pull the trigger on good price action to take it back down to the lows of this week. So this is what we're looking out for. The only thing we have to do now is to wait patiently. I repeat, the only thing we have to do now is to wait patiently. This here is definitely looking oversold, but we are not going to go against the market. We are going to wait for what? We're going to wait for a nice and decent pullback to this area. This area, as you can see, is an area of untested. It has not been tested as resistance. The same thing with this area here. It has not been tested as resistance. Also here, it has not been tested as resistance as well. Now, the more price tends to ignore levels, the stronger the attraction is to those levels, just like a magnet, right? So we have price that is attracted to orders, right? Orders, and then we have pending orders waiting at all these levels. We can easily also set our sell limit pending order here, but we want to see the formation. We want to see the reaction to that area before pulling the trigger. But definitely we have people that have placed pending orders there. And well, you could do the same as well, depending on the type of trader that you are. So from what we have right in front of us, all we have to do now is to exercise patience. And of course, this is coming to you based on our support and resistance price action trading, which we have as a free course that you can get from the description below. There's a link in the description below where you can watch the free course that would explain to you how to map out your charts based on support and resistance, and of course using different time frames that would help you to understand the market better based on your analysis. And then all you have to do is now wait, and then when the price gets to your area of interest, you have your entry trigger, right? So you could also use chart patterns for the movement to that area. You could also use the popular price action candles like the hammers, like the engulfings, like the haramis, and the rest of them, dojis, spinning tops, and the rest of them. So get that link from the description. And if this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up. And of course, hit the subscribe button if you are yet to do so. Let's watch this together. And of course, we'll do another update. Yes, we'll do yet another update based on what is happening on this EurUsd. Enjoy the rest of your day and trade safely. Goodbye and God bless.